Every day, the Fat Controller came to the station to catch his train. "Hello," he always said to Thomas. "Remember, don't be impatient, Thomas. You can never be as strong and fast as Gordon, but you can be a really useful engine."
Rubbish!
There was also a small coach and two strange things his driver called Duck. "That's the breakdown train," he told Thomas. The Duck is off for lifting heavy things like engines and coaches and trucks. One day, Thomas was in the yard. Suddenly, he heard an engine whistling.
Skip-it-up-and-dada!
A goods train came rushing through much too fast. The engine was James, and he was
Racist!
"They're pushing me," he panted.
Go suck a dick, suck a dick!
Laughed the trucks, still whistling, "Help, help!" Poor James disappeared. "I'd like to teach those trucks a lesson," said Thomas the Tank Engine. Soon came the alarm.
Red spies in the base.
"James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly!" Thomas was coupled on, and off they went. Thomas worked his hardest. "Hurry, hurry, hurry," he puffed, pretending to be like Gordon. James's driver and fireman were feeling him all over to see if he was hurt. "Never mind, James," they said. "It wasn't your fault. It was those wooden brakes they gave you. We always said they were no good."
That's no good.
Thomas pushed the breakdown train alongside. Then he pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way. Oh dear, they groaned.
I'm about to get racist!
He is never lonely. Edward and Henry stop quite often and tell him the news.
Tough talk for a fella with a small cock.
Fuck you! Try me, bitch.